In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the window sweeps on your GMC K1500. These will be located on top of the door sill and on the inside of the door panel. Let's get started. Lift up on this trim piece right here. Slide it straight up. It'll slide off of this plastic clip. Remove the two Phillips head screws. We're going to lift up on the window trim piece, pull straight up. You could use a plastic trim tool if you'd like. This comes up pretty easy. Behind there, we're going to have a few connectors. The tab right here, push on that tab. Remove the connector. We're going to use a flat blade screwdriver right above this tab and push down. And remove the connector. I'm pushing down on this tab right here to unlock it in the bottom. Using a trim tool, go around the door, popping off the clips. Once it starts hinging like this, we can lift it straight up and off. Don't pull it too far. This wire should be attached to this light right here. Ours is not. If yours is, go ahead and remove it out of the socket. Using a pick, we're going to pick up on these black tabs. As we do that, we're going to pull up on the window sweeps. We're going to work our way all the way down. Once you get to the front, we're going to pull the window sweep straight out from behind the mirror and remove it from the vehicle. Install the window sweep, get it started behind the mirror, give it a good push, and get it fully seated. Go to the back side, and right at this pointy clip part, we're going to bend the window sweep in, get it fully seated, and then work your way down along the top, clicking the window sweep in. Here we have our door panel turned on end, so this is the back of the window sweep. This window sweep is stapled into place. We're going to use our pick, and we're going to open these staples up. Turn the ends open. Once you have the staples opened, go ahead and pull them out of the panel. You can use a pair of pliers to help you pull on them. But go down the line, removing all of the staples. Remove the window sweep. We're going to install the new window sweep. There's a line on top of our body panel that I'm going to line up the edge with. We're going to pull it right to the top, right where it was before. I'm going to use a set of small clips to hold it in place. Now if you have a heavy-duty stapler, go ahead and staple this back down. We don't have one of those, so we're going to use some rivets. We're going to drill a hole and then install a rivet. We're going to install the rivet down into the hole. Crimp it. Slide our clamp down. We're going to repeat this process 5 to 6 times and rivet the whole piece in. I'm going to remove our little clamps, and we're good to go. Install the door panel down on top of the windowsill. Pull your harness up and out. Be sure that your connector is installed into the light. Clip the door panel into place all the way around. Install the connectors. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give them a pull. Make sure they're locked in. Install the switch piece with the lever in the front first. And clip it down into place. Install the Phillips head screws down through the top of the door. Snug them down. Install the plastic bezel. Slide the trim piece down and into place on top. Give it a pull out, make sure it's locked onto that clip, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.